Uh, Question number 9. ABC triangle. AB is given as square root 2, BC is given as square root 3, and we want to find this angle. And then we want to find AC. When I look at this data, I can see clearly a pair is there. The distance and angle, and then the sign is vibrating on my mind now, and I want to find this angle. Then I can see this one is square root 2. So now distance, so it is a good thing. So I will take as this one x. So from sine x, from sine rule, sine x over square root 2 equal sine 60 over square root 3. So sine x equal sine 60 times cos multiply square root 2 over square root 3. Sine 60 means square root 3 over 2 times square root 2 over square root 3. So this is going to be square root 3 to 3 cancel out. Um, and this is going to be 1 over square root 2. If you are not sure what is going on, just let's do like this. Sine 60 means square root 3 over 2 times square root 2 over square root 3. This is going to be um, square root 3 times square root 2 over square root 3. So this is cancel out. Square root 2 over 2 means square root 2 times square root 2 times square root 2. This is cancel out 1 over square root 2. So then sine x equal 1 over square root 2. Then x equals sine inverse 1 over square root 2, which is 45. So this is going to be 45 now. Now I'll take this is y. Y mean 180 minus 60 plus 45. Sum of triangles. Sum of angles of sum of angles of triangles. Right? 180 minus 105. So this is going to be 75. So this angle is 75. And now again from the sine rule, I can find AC. So AC over sine 75 equal square root 2 over sine 45. Square root 2 over sine 45. So AC equals square root 2 times sine 75 over sine 45. So this is going to be 1.93 centimeter. Question number 10. When we look at this question, so AB equal to minus x, BC equal x plus 1, 120, we want to show that AC. Now, we have a feeling that always two lengths and in the middle a known angle. It means we are looking for, it's a good opportunity for a cos rule. So we can write AC square equal this square plus this square and minus 2 times this one cos 120 x plus 1 square plus 2 minus x square minus 2 times x plus 1, 2 minus x cos 120. So this is going to be, we can simplify this one. This is going to be x square plus 2x plus 1. This is going to be 4 minus 4x plus x square times. This is going to be 2 times x plus 1, 2 minus x cos 120 mean minus half. Uh, and this minus cancel out. Okay, x square, 2x square plus 2x minus 4x minus 2x plus 1 plus 4 plus 5. So that's done. Now this 2 and this 2 cancel out and minus become plus. So then plus x plus 1, 2 minus x. Now 2x square minus 2x plus 5. Then I'll expand x times 2, 2x, x times minus x square. 1 time plus 1 times 2, 2. 1 time minus x. Right? So this is going to be x square. Then this is minus 2x plus 2x actually cancel out, I can see. And this is minus x remaining. And plus 2. Plus 2 and plus 5 is going to be plus 7. So AC square equal x square minus x plus 7 as requested. Now part 2, find the value of x for which AC has the minimum value. So you want to find the minimum value of AC, but not AC square. But we know that if we find minimum value for AC square, then that is the minimum value going to be AC. So instead of we are looking at AC, we can look at the behavior of AC square. So it's going to be the same. If you pick up, you can think this is y as well if you want. So it's like a graph now. It's a graph now. Now let's forget about AC square. Now it is graph. Y equal x square minus x square minus x plus 7. Now it's going to be a quadratic equation like this. And this is y has minimum when x equal what? X equal half. When x equal half, you will get the y value. Let's complete the square. X minus half a square plus 7 minus 1 over 4. So x minus half a square, this is 7 minus 1 over 4. This is going to be 28, 27 over 4. Now, when x equal half, we will get 27 over 4. And then it should lie above the x-axis. So I'll draw it below the x-axis. So I'll bring the x-axis down now. Okay. So this is x equal half and 27 over 4. Y. Y mean what? AC square. So AC square is minimum at x equal half and the value is 27 over 4. And AC is minimum at x equal half and y value equal 27 over 4, because AC mean square root AC square, which is AC mean what? Square root x square minus x plus 7. This value also is minimum when x equal half, or simply AC is x minus half a square plus 27 over 4. So when x equal half, uh, AC will get a minimum. Apart from that, any other values, if you put this AC become bigger. Question number 11. ABC triangle, ABC angle is 30, BC 5 square root 2. Do you know sine theta? Do you know theta? Yes, you know theta because sine theta is given. It doesn't matter theta or sine theta. You know this angle basically. Now, known angle and length, and sine is there, and sine theta also given straightforward. And we want to work AC. It is simple now. It means from the sine rule, AC over sine 30 equal 5 square root 2 over sine theta. So AC is 5 square root 2 sine 30 over sine theta. 5 square root 2 sine 30 mean half. Divide by sine theta mean square root 5 over 8. So then when you divide, this will become 5 square root 2 over 2, this is, and multiply 8 goes of square root 5 down, right? Then this is cancel out. This is going to be 2 and this is going to be 4. This is going to be 4 square root 2. I think this has to be 5. 5 means square root 5 times square root 5. So 1 is square root cancel out. So then 4 square root 5 square root 2, which is 4 square root 10 centimeter. Question number 12. This angle is 60, AB is 7 centimeter, and perimeter is given 15. If I take this is x, and if I take this is y, uh, x plus y plus 7 equal 15. So two unknowns, we need two equations to solve. Or we can make one unknown and then we can look at the possibilities. Okay, I can find one is 15 minus x minus 7, which is 8 minus x. 15 minus 7, 8. 8 minus x. Instead of y, now I am writing what? 8 minus x. And now I have one equation, one unknown. Then let's see what we can do. Can I put sine? Because I don't know this angle. Only I know one angle and I know the side. So cos is clearly visible in this cos rule. So cos rule, um, I can write 8 minus x square equal x square plus 7 square minus 2 times x and 7 cos 60. So we'll expand. Now we have one equation to solve. We'll solve now. Um, this is going to be 64 minus 8 times 2 16 x plus x square plus this is x square plus 7 square 49. This is 2 times 7x. Cos 60 is half. So this half and this half cancel out. This is cancel out this one and sorry this one. So then I'll take everything to one side. This is 2 times 7. Okay, this is cancel out 2 and 2. This is going to remain minus 7x. Okay, I will write minus 7x plus 49 equal 64 minus 16x. Then the best way is taking this x to the right side and this one to here. 64 minus 49 equal 64 minus 49 equal 16 minus 7x. So this is going to be 15, 15 and this is going to be 9x. So 9x equal 15, x equal 15 over 9 mean 5 over 3. Basically 1, 2 out of 3 x. So this is 1, 2 out of 3 centimeter. Then this is going to be 8 minus 1, 2 out of 3. So this is going to be 8 minus 1, 7 and 6, 1 out of 3. 6, 1 out of 3 centimeter. This is going to be, this is, now we need to find the area of this triangle. So area of triangle is half AB sine C. That is the rule. So area of triangle is half x mean this is 15 over 9. 1, 2 out of 3 mean actually 5 over 3 I can write 5 over 3 and half this one time this, then sine 60. So this is going to be 35 over 2 times 360. Sine 60 mean is square root 3 over 2. Then this is going to be 35 square root 3 over 12 cm square or 5.505 cm square. Question number 13. So this is the picture. AB is 14 and BC 12 and CA is 15. Now first of all we need to find this angle, and the best way of doing this one is using cos rule, because we know all the distance, then we can find the length, we can find the angle. So from cos rule, cos C, you can write 15 square plus 12 square. So those are the two lines which made this angle. So we are going to use this 15 square plus 12 square minus 14 square divided by 2 times 15 times 12. So cos C equal 144 plus 15 is equal to 225 plus 144 plus 196 divided by 2 360. So cos C equal 173 over 360. Then C equal cos inverse 173 over 360, which is 61.278, or we can take approximately 61.3. So this is 61.3. Now we need the area. It means area is half a AB sine C. So half a 15 times 12 times sine 61.3, which is 78.94 cm square. Question number 14, it is about a flower bed. However, it is just two triangles. We want to find this angle and this angle. You can see just one triangle and the other triangle, and you know three sides of this angle. You can find this angle by cos rule. We'll write this one cos A equal, if this is A angle. I already explained the short method to look at this one. So 4.2 square, 2.1 square minus 2 times, minus 5.9 square divided by 2 times 4.2, 2.1. So cos A is going to be minus 0.723. So A equal cos inverse minus 0.723. Then you will get A around 136.3. So this is 136.3. So we can find C now, same as cos C equal cos C 7.5 square plus 3.5 square minus 5.9 square divided by 2 times 3.5, 7.5. So C equal cos inverse this value. So you can calculate from the calculator straight and get 50.1. So there is going to be 50.1. Now we need to find the total area. So it means two triangles. Area of A, B, C, D equal area of ABD plus area of BDC. So area of ABD means half AB sine C, half a. So this is the triangle. I can use this one. Half a this times sine half a 2 point times 4.2 times sine 136.3 plus, again from this one, half 3.5, 7.5 times sine 50.1. So this is the area. So total area you will get when you simplify from the calculator, 13.11 square centimeter, square meter basically. Now part C, we want to find the AC. I know this distance and I know this distance, and if I know this angle, by cos rule I can find. But if I break this one d1 and d2, I can find d1 and d2 separately and add, because I know that d1 belongs to this triangle, and I can find because I know all three lengths. And when I consider d2, I know all three lengths again. So from the cos rule I am going to find d1, and from the cos rule I am going to find d2, and then I add those two triangles. So now I can write d1 cos d1 equal 2.1 square plus 5.9 square minus 4.2 square divide and 2 times 2.1 5.9. Then d1 equal cos inverse this expression. So d1 is going 29, roughly about 2944 d1, same as d2, cos d2 equal 5.9 square plus 3.5 square minus 7.5 square divided by 2 times 5.9, 3.5. Then d2 equal cos inverse this one. Basically you will get 102.85. Then d1 plus d2 equal 29.44 plus 102.85. So 132.29. Now this angle is going to be 132.29. Now we'll write the cos rule to this triangle. By cos rule to ACD triangle, AC square equal 2.1 square plus 3.5 square minus 2 times 2.1 3.5 cos 132.29. So AC square 26.55 around 29. So AC equal 5.15 approximately centimeter. Sorry, it's meter. Question number 15. We want to find the shaded area triangle. This is a square. It means they all 10 and 10. So I know half base times, if I know this height h, then I can find the area. H mean if I know this area, this length a, h mean the whole is 10, because this is the square. 10 minus a, half 10 times 10 minus A. If I know A, then job done. So I'm going to use find A. This is 90 degrees, this is 50. I can use sine rule 8 over sine 50 to find this angle. Then 180 minus, then I know this angle. Then since this is perpendicular, we can find. So that's the plan. So first of all, I will take this angle is x, sine x over 10 equal sine 50. 50 because this is 40, 90, 50, 50 over 8. So sine x equal 10 times sine 50 over 8. It means 5 over 4 times sine 50. So x equals sine inverse 5 over 4 times sine 50. So this is going to be 73 minus 24. But given this angle is obtuse, and the other one is, other possibility is 180 minus 73.24. It's going to be 106.75. Now, if I take this is theta, theta mean 180 minus 50 plus 106.75, which is 23.24. Now this is 23.24. Now when I consider this triangle, and when I come to this angle, I can see this is opposite and this is hypotenuse, then sine, opposite and hypotenuse, sine 23.24 equal A over sine, sorry, A over 8. Then by cross multiply, A equal 8 times sine 23.24, which is that is 3.15. Then this is going to be half 10 times 10 minus 3.15. The answer is 5 times, okay, let me calculate, 34.25 square centimeter. You can work a bit differently, but it's lengthy way of doing it. You can use half AB sine C. So you know this is 10 if you know this length and this angle. So then you need to find this angle, you need to know this angle. If you find this angle and this length, then you can work out. Since we know a lot of details here, we can find this length. Then you know this length, then you can find this length by cos rule. Then again, from sine rule, you can find this angle. Then you know this angle and this length, then half a AB sine C. You can work out that way as well.